vlog. Yes. Our Mr. Chat. Hello guys. She's a Syrian lady. This one.
Thank you.
Yes. Yun naman ang aking best friend na maganda. Live din kasi. Ito ako. Habibi. Si Habibi. Pag magpaayos na kayo, dito na kayo sa Scarlett. I always came here, Scarlett. Mag-shut up na kayo.
Now, Friday it's closed. Today Sunday. Closed.
Where close?
All Sunday he closed. And the Friday for food. Here for food.
Sa ano yun? Sa Lebanese?
Ali Country shout out. 1 to 2. No, Juen. I'm here in salon. Yes! Yes! Dito kami. Look at Carly. Ayaw ko na ano. Gusto, magpa new hairstyle. Gusto, i-curly ko. Gusto kasi nila i-curly daw kasi para maiba naman daw yung ends. Siya ay taga-anda. Siya naman is sorry. If I make a hairstyle,
She has a lot of problem talaga.
problem talaga kasi gusto ko pa mag
I don't understand the Filipino, but yellow, it's okay. Like that.
Shout out ako sa mga friend ko na ako bigyan ko.
Don't eat. She said, she big.
Big tummy. This is my problem. How can I remove?
Don't eat. For 1 week.
Don't eat, خلاص. And then, same face my nipple.
Okay, that's yours.
Thank you.
Sana ganito ako ka-sexy, no? And naman siya.
Ah, that's why you're the same face.
Yes.
I always like hair.
They're the same face.
The sister.
Who's
Who's
You are in same face.
Also, you're the same figure.
Some customer come. Let me see. I'm not the same. Because my hair it's black and it's.
She put color yan. Make one color. Got tattoo.
I have very no, but how much? Gucci. How you make? What you make?
Oh my God,
He
it's
give
pain.
you. He give you price.
It's pain.
No, not too much pain.
Please cover my white hair.
You didn't have white hair.
Wala. Small.
If you want, I can.
Kasanaon na lang tayo ni Pa.
Because we're going to edit.
والله عضتني من شوي. شو؟ عضتني من شوي الحيوانة عضتني. عم بوسها يا أوليفر. جيبوا بوتش. جيبوا بوشي. جيبوا أي. لا. أوليفر نظر. Not outside.
Shout out ako kay ano. Shout out.
I said you are blind.
Ano, bakit madilim? Madilim ba yung ating ano?
Liki, alam mo siya. Alam mo siya, not even.
Can you give me serum oil? Asan na si Sylvia? Uy.
Celia, where are you? Sit down here. We are already finished.
And the next.
Yeah, like
Shout out ako sa...
Nag-aayos.
Papabrashing ka?
Curly.
Carly?
Maganda ba yung curly or ano?
Curly ka na lang.
Dagway ka.
Ano?
Ang sarap ng dagway.
Ay, dalay ko.
Kuha pala gani. Shout out ako sa taga-anda. Sa taga-anda yan. Anda, Bohol. Slow connection, my dear. My friend. Ito yung friend ko na kinakusgan.
Because from here, it's very straight.
Yeah.
Your hair, Angel.
Na problema kasi ako dahil yung tiyan ko ba.
You want to make like it? They don't answer.
Yeah. A bit.
Magkano yung ano? Ako ba dito?
Oh, dito ka.
Wala ka lang. It's simple.
Why?
It's a simple only.
I sit here?
Wala ka lang.
I sit here?
Can you put
Curly.
Curly.
a bit spray? Kalas bas. Okay, thanks.
Welcome.
Hoy, ayusin nyo yung ginagano ninyo. Malutin ninyo.
Oo, ayusin niyo ko yan kasi.
No.
Okay. Ako naman ay magpa. Okay, no problem.
Primado lagi ka
From
ka.
here, ayan mo.
Siyempre.
Magkano yung ayos? Magkano yung ayos? Ayos lang sa mukha. Bet? Magkano yung ayos lang? Make-up lang sa mukha.
Makeup na normal, without hairstyle, 25. Hairstyle, tapos eyelashes, 35.
I'm proud Syrian. Syrian woman. Syrian woman.
Makeup 25.
25 daw pag make-up lang.
What?
Pag make-up lang, 25 daw.
Ako hindi pa ako nagme-makeup ha.
Ano pang gagawin mo? Kala ko tapos ka na.
Tapos na kung dito Hindi, stylean lang naman niya. Binibigyan niya ng style.
Yala, 1 minute.
What is your name, my dear?
Rovino.
Robeno. Shout out Rubino from Syria. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Rose Sampiano, kala ko ba masama pakiramdam mo? Andyan ka na sa salon. Oo, kasi nag-attend ako ng kasal. Kasal ng taga
Bilisan ka mapalinis pa tayo. Susunod yan na. Baliw.
Because you sound like this. No, wait. Because you sound like this. And because you sound like this.
She's very stupid.
Yeah.
Mazluli.
Mukpatato.
Kaya Angel mo.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, oh my love. It makes me feel like nobody else.
Paayos ka ng mukha.
Hindi na. Mamaya na.
Ano mamaya?
Uy, magbalinis pa tayo?
Palinis ka.
Wala na siguro na tayo.
Palinis ka. Nagpalinis man ako. Doon.
Traditional.
Doon sa labas. Oo.
Dali na, palisan mo.
Saan ka magpalinis?
Doon kay ano ba?
Saan?
Oh, sige na. Okay na, okay na.
Ha? Saan mo nga?
Saan tayo?
Masamat ka na lang.
Saan nga?
Bye na ha, bye.
Talaga
Saan banda?
Kilala ulit. Doon tayo magbihis.
Oo.
Sige, punta ka na doon ha. Punta na kami doon. Oh, sige. No, bye-bye na. Ha?
Bay, dali ka.
Bayad pa. Okay, pangit yung ano ko. Pangit yung nilagyan niya ng ano. Pero mag-change pa ako. This is 700. Ako wala pa. Kay ano yan yung Harley.